In the previous classes, we have completed the configuration part of enterprise structure, posting period variant, fiscal year variant, field status variant, then credit control area and controlling area. So everything has been set up and all those things has been assigned in OBY6 in a global parameter. Just our company code is Q300. So each and everything has been completed here and assigned here. So whatever is assigned, we have done the configuration. In OKKP, we have created our controlling area. Our controlling area is Q300. Here the company code and the variant name has been changed because the data has been erased from the source system. That's why it has been changed and new configuration has been done. So don't confuse. The concept is same. So here we have created all those things and those components also here activated. And also this controlling area is assigned to our company code Q300. Our chart of account is also created. Account group is created. Just check OB13. It is a transactional code for the creation of a chart of account. But here we have to check it. Q300. So here it is created Q300, our chart of account. OBD4 is for the account group. You can also create here also account group Q300. Just check. Here we have created for asset, expenses, income and liabilities. Then our return earning account OB53. Our chart of account is Q300. So here the return earning also account has been created. So now what we will do, we will go to the FS00. FS00 is to create a master data of a GL account. In the GL account, we have to create those GLs for the day-to-day transactions. We can create those GL accounts in a three ways. So what are the three ways we can create? In three sources we can create. The ways concept is wrong, but three sources we can create. One we can create here. Just I am opening that Excel file. We can create GL account in three source, that is FS00. It is called centrally, and FSP0. It is chart of account label. Then FSS0 is for the company code label. So separate we are not creating, we are creating directly in FS00. If you are creating in FSP0 and not creating in FSS0, you are not able to use that GL account in a particular company code, whatever you have done in the configuration. And the same thing, if you are creating in the company code and not created in the chart of account level, you are not able to do any transaction in that particular GL account. So separate we are not creating. This is an interview questions. If the interviewer will ask you in how many levels we can create the chart of account, you can answer that in three levels we can create the chart of account. That three levels is FS00 is centrally we can create, FSP0 is the account level, chart of account level, and FSS0 is for the company code level. So this is an interview question only to know that in how many levels we have to create the chart of account. But we are creating normally in FS00 centrally. We are not wasting our time or not doing separate. Whatever the separate you will do, the data will flow through the FS00 as centrally. So directly we are creating centrally. Any questions till now?
No.
Okay. So before creating those GL accounts, I have to move to the OB52. So what is OB52? This is a posting period variant. We have to give this posting period variant Q300. We can also go through the path also. So after giving your posting period variant, this type of screen will come. So just click on new entries. New entries, what you will do here, here is an account type. A is for account type. How many account types are there? Only the symbol is not
Type,
coming. That's why. Yeah, sure. Tell me.
type, account type.
Okay. What are they?
Expenses, income, asset liability,
No,
income
those are the
expenditure.
no. Those are the account groups. I'm asking about the to open the posting periods. So how many account types are there? So it is one plus sign is there. Then K, D, M, S, and for the contract is, let me check this one. It is V or V, I hope. Yes, another one is V. A, K, D, M, S, V. A, K, D, M, S, and V. If you are using the plus sign in the account type, then it is for all accounts. K, A is for asset account. K is for vendor. D is for customer. M is for material. S is for GL account. V is for contract account. Let me check one second. Yes, contract accounts. So there are 7 types are there, account types according to the SAP standard. So what are the use of this? We have to post those transactions for the GL account. If we are not opening in ACE, then we are not able to post any type of transactions for the GL account in F-0 or SA document or a SA document. For GL account, the document type is SA. SA is for GL account. We cannot post any GL document in our company code if the period is not open in posting period variant. The like that for same, the asset accounting AA is for asset accounting, the document type. Vendor is for KR, KG, KZ, then KA. Like that, the same thing is for the customer DR, customer invoice, customer credit memo DZ, DZ, customer incoming payment receiving, then DA is for customer document. Like that materials, there are a number of things are there. So now for GL account here, we have to give the number ranges, nothing to give here. Just go to the system and see how we are creating. Here we have to give the plus sign. The account type we have given plus from account, from which account and to account. Here there is a no such things are there to give for the from account. Just I'm saying showing one example here. OB52 is a transactional code. Posting period variant I am giving 1710 for one example. See here, the from account and to account nothing is given here. From period was given here and to period is given here. So it is for the asset. So from account we are not giving any number. If we are giving mention any number, then particular for that number we have to do it. Why we are not giving? In future, if we want to extend that GL account, once again we have to come and edit that one. So if we are giving here from account is a blank field and to account is only G is given. Whatever the accounts or the GL account you are posting for the asset or the vendor or the material, and whatever the account types is given, the system will pick those account. If you have given here the number ranges, between that number ranges that GL account should be there, otherwise the system will not pick anything. So just go and create a new one. Sorry, OB52. Our posting period variant is Q300. Give here the plus sign. Oh, sorry. And from account, nothing you have to give. To account here, nothing you have to give. The period 1 you have to give. 2023 I am giving here because our session started from 2023. It is an Indian company code. Our session will be finished. Fiscal year will be completed, or year end will be comes at the month of April. From 1 period to 12 period I am opening here. So the year I am giving 2025. Why I am not giving 2024? If I am giving 2024, then the in the month of April, once again I will come here and open those periods. So I am giving 2025. If you are giving 2024, then it's fine. But after the 31st March and the 1st April, you have to come here and change the year. Otherwise, the system will not allow you to post. Then from period, you have to give here 13. Why I am giving here 13? Because it is for the special periods, and it is 16, 13, 14, 15, 16. Four special periods we are using, and here is 2025, the same thing. We are going to post for only for the GL account. That's why I am giving here yes. Yes is for GL account. One by one, whatever we will do the configuration, according to that configuration, we will come and do the configuration. In that case, what will happen if I will do each and everything now? When we will do the postings, you will not get those errors, and we are not able to know what type of error is coming, how to solve those errors. And at that time, when you will do the transaction and the system will throw the error, in that case, if you will solve the error, that's keeps in your mind, and you can properly remember that for this error I have to come here and do the solution. So now I am only doing for the plus symbol for the all accounts, and S is only for the GL account. Now only we have to post those GL accounts. The transaction we can post in FB50. FB50 we can post it in a GL account. So here I am giving Z. I am giving here. And the same thing I am giving here for period 1 and 2023, and 2 period is 12, and the year I am giving 2025, then 13, then 2023, and 16, and 2025. So this much you have to give it and press enter. So here this two things is surprise, means there is no such error, and save it. So like this, the posting period variant, the open and close posting period we have created under our posting period variant. Understood? Any questions for this?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. So let's come back. Now we have to create the GL accounts. Now we have to create the number ranges. For each and every documents, whatever we are going to post, those documents, one number is created. According to that number is called document number. How those document numbers are created? For that, you cannot give by your own numbers to create those documents. That document number series should have to check, only to check OBA7 is one transactional code. You will get, see here it is coming, this data logged. So here we have not to do anything else, configuration only to check. Just click on yes. Then for the GL account posting, the document type is S and A. Just click on continue. Double click this. Here the number ranges is maintained 0, 1. Here the number ranges is maintained 0, 1. And we have to check for the 0, 1 series we have to create, and reverse document type is given A and B. So we also have to check A and B document type. Why we have to check A and B document type? If we are doing some reverse, the reverse document type is also for 0, 1. We can maintain SA for the 0, 1. If we are doing any reverse, if we are not maintained in AB, then the system will not allow us to reverse the document. Why we are doing the reversal? For the wrong posting we are doing, any posting you have done wrong, so there should be a reverse entry should be there. The SAP standard has given that, SAP given that to reverse those documents which you have posted as a wrong posting. And you have to give not only for the wrong posting, there are a number of reasons are there. According to the reason, you can select the reason and reverse. It is a different topic, I will explain you later. So to create the number ranges, the transactional code is FBN1. FBN1. Just press enter and give your company code. Q300 is our company code. And just click on interval, this pencil symbol. Here nothing is created. So here it is given number ranges number. I cannot give 02 or 03. In OBA7, I saw that 01 number series was maintained there. So I have to give here 01. Year I have to give 2023. In every year you have to come. You cannot give here the number ranges. After the month of March, in the 1st April, you will come and change the year here. If you are posting those documents, you have to create. You are unable to change year. If you have posted those documents in that particular number ranges, you have to create new. Here is no such number ranges, no such ranges we can give for the year, like that posting period variant. So from number I am giving here 1, 10 lakh I have given here. 2 number, what series I will give here, that much document should be posted. If I am giving from number 1 to 10, so total 10 documents we can post. So always try to give a big number. 1, this number you can give. So 10,99,999 minus 10 lakh. So how many documents we can post? 10,99,999 minus 10 lakh. So 99,999 plus 1. Total 10 lakh documents we can post. So just enter. So here it is comes up ratio. So 01 is created for the GL account. If you are using this one, this symbol external, so the number you have to give manually at the time of posting those documents. Don't click this one. So whatever how many documents you have posted here, one by one it will be updated. How it will be updated? First document you have posted, 10 lakh will come here. The second document you will post it, 10 lakh 2, 1 will come here. The third document you will post it, 10 lakh 3 will come here. It will not comes in the single digit 1, 2, 3, 4, because our number ranges digit is 1, 2, 7 digit. Like that 7 digits numbers will come here. Then simply you save it here and continue. The changes were saved. Then come back. Now we will go to FS00 to create those GL accounts to post the transactionals. Change your company code here, give here Q300. We already created one retained earning account. Then we have to create another one. The cash account we have to create and change your company code here. Cash account will comes under the balance sheet item, and it comes in the asset. Account group is asset. Here we can create cash account. Then go to the control data tab, balance in local currency. Automatically by default your company code currency will come here. Then short key give 001 as posting date. Then come to the third tab, create bank interest. The field status group we have created. Give here G001 as general text assignment. Then this much you have to give here. Just click on this check option, check it. So there is no such error is occurred here, then save it. Here our cash account is created. Our cash account is created. Then we will create one expenses account. OBD4, our expenses GL ranges we have to check. It is for 3 series. And give here 3 series, company code is there. Otherwise you can mention your company code and continue. So here it will comes under profit and loss account. It's not comes under the balance sheet account. So it is a non-operating expenses or income it is coming. So this one is for the, we are creating the rent account we are creating. Those rent account it is creating, it is a primary in which GL account type it will come. It will not come in the balance sheet account, under which it will come non-operating expenses or income or primary cost or revenue or secondary cost. The rent account is involved in operating expenses. It is involved in production.
Yes, yeah. Hello?
Yes, the rent account is coming.
Indirect expenses. Rent account is indirect expenses.
So it is an operating expenses or non-operating expenses.
Rent account is non-operating expenses.
Yes, that's why the in ECC there is a balance sheet account and profit and loss account. The GL account type 2 is available, but in S4 HANA, balance sheet account is available and profit and loss account was divided into 3 categories. One is non-operating expenses or income, another one is primary cost or revenue, and the third one is secondary cost. So I am selecting here non-operating expenses. And the account group, I have to select the expenses. If you are selecting the income, the system will throw the error here. Why? The income GL should be created under the series of 4 series. So the expenses GL will be comes under the 3 series. Here we can give here rent account. Then come to the control data, balance in local currency, click and open item, then sort key 001. Open item is only for the balance sheet account, nothing to click here. Then create bank interest, field status group, the same G001 as a general you have to give. Then nothing to mention here. Once again check it, the data whatever we are given it is correct or not. Then click on this check option. Here you can see that the data contains no error. If by mistakenly you will click on this open item management and you will check this one, here open item management only allowed for balance sheet account. The data contain errors you cannot save. So only if you are creating those GLs under the balance sheet account, then you have to click this one as a open item management. Otherwise, for non-operating income and expenses, primary cost and revenues, and secondary cost and revenues. So for this, we are not selecting the open item management. Then simple you go and save it. So data was saved. Our GL account is created. One is rent account and the cash account. So we will go and post the transactional data in FB50. So FB50, FB50 is the transactional code to post those GL accounts. Here, the company code, you have to look what is the first priority you have to see in the screen. You have to check here. The RS03 is a company code. That's not your company code. Just click on this company code and give your company code Q300. And you will see here Q300, your company code is coming. Give today's date. Here today's date you have given rent expenses. Sorry. Expenses you have given. Then the GL account we have to give. For rent expenses, one rent account is created. It is an expenses account and cash account is created. So what will be the journal entry for this? Rent account debited to cash account.
Yes, yes.
So if you are not able to remember those GL account, just click on this search option. Here your company code is coming. Then delete this on 500 hits. Then continue. Here rent account you can select. Rent account is debited for 10,000 rupees and the cash account is credited. Cash account is 1 all time 01. It is credited and the same here 10,000. So here the green tick mark is coming. So there is no such error till now. Then you can click on simulate document posting. You can see here 40. That is called the posting key. Posting key 40 is for GL account debit and posting key 50 is the GL account credit. So just click on this post. One error is coming. Correct the customization setting for the ledgers for the universal journal. This is a AC DOCA. This is called the AC DOCA. It is universal journal. It comes under the SAP S/4HANA. This error you will not get in ECC. Just click on this. This is the errors number. Check the customizing settings using the transactional code. If you will click on this also, you can, the system will take you there. Here. Go to the filter. Sorry. So our company code is Q300. go to the find and search directly. This is a practice server. That's why there are a number of errors are coming. It is coming for the leading laser. So you can see here Q300. So what is the solution? Where you will go and solve this one for the leading laser? Just come back. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general laser accounting, periodic processing. What is that path? So you will come here, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, then ledgers, define setting for ledgers currency type. Just execute this one. Currency types are here. Currency conversion. Just continue this one and click on new entries. Otherwise, you can copy from some other entries also. We are using 10 as a company code currency. Local currency we are using. So just I am doing this one. New entries. My company code is Q300. Then currency type is 10. I'm using. Then currency is INR I'm using. This one is a source types currency. It's a document currency only itself. Then exchange rate type. Nothing we are using. So nothing to give here exchange rate. Give here as a document date. Then press enter. And come to the company code. Laser is 0L. To the first if we are not using the parallel accounting, nothing, no need to use that one. Come to the position Q300, then press enter. So here Q300 is not there. So no need to do the currency conversion setting for company code. If we are using the group currency, then we have to do it. Otherwise, nothing to do. So company code here you will come. Here we can see that. Q300. Okay.